milk that gets sold in the supermarkets now is it's not the kind of milk that we produce here. It's the level of the fat and the protein, and obviously the taste of the milk is totally different. It's a natural product because we just go with the grass, and it just makes sense, and the quality of the milk comes with the grass. My name is Clwyd. I farm here in Plas, Conway. We started milking here. We converted it from a beef and sheep farm to a dairy back in 2015, and since that we've started another farm up in my home farm in 2019, and in 2022 we started pasteurising our own milk. So this is a holding tank for the raw milk. It comes direct from that pipe from the main tank into here. It's then shifted through these pipes into this brand new pasteuriser plant that we've just set up, which is much more efficient than the old one here, which we started with this 4 years ago. Selling in our vending machine down in the village here in Conway, and supplying to ice cream parlours. Most of the feedback are, we haven't tasted milk like this before. It's like when you get 40 or 50-year-old people, this is the milk we used to have in school when we were like 6, 7 years, and it takes them back to that. So we've got 450 cows milking here. We've got 360 calving in the spring, and because of our vending machine now and the demand for milk here all round, we calve about 90 in the autumn, which we are going to switch more to autumn than spring because of the demand of the milk. Well, our cows are out like 300 days a year, and they're on grass, and they do get supplements of silage, but not a lot of concentrate. So it's a grass-based herd which produces the best quality milk.